everybody, this is Mr. Piddle here. Today we're here on Google, really the best search engine ever. Obviously, forget about Siri and everything. That this is the best. Basically, I'm just here. We're gonna search up some funny memes and go on with our day. So, memes. Oh, guys, what is this? Don't even know what this is. I'm gonna just tap a random button. Let's do the entire keyboard and see what happens. QWERTYOUIOPASDFGHJKLZYXDBBNM space. Dinosaur is moving! What's this? No! Don't stop passing it! Just keep hopping over cactuses! What kind of a world does a dinosaur live in where all he does is hop over cactuses and everything is in black and white? This is beautiful! This reminds me of the olden days when I died. Anyway, back to the story. This reminds me when in the olden days when everybody was happy and we all just hopped over cactuses, were wearing giant T-Rex suits and stuff. So yeah, it's really nice. I like this game, I guess. I mean, I have no internet connection, but I mean, this is better than, I guess, nothing. This is really boring, but this is fun at the... It's like mesmerizing, guys. I know this video is gonna be very boring. I don't even know. I just wanted to look up some memes, but I guess this will have to do. I'm hoping we can reach the goal of at least 1,000. Because, this is easy, but I just keep getting sidetracked and start talking, and then, I just, stop thinking about it and stuff, you know? Just like that casual Mr. Piddle stuff. Basically, so this is getting really boring, but how your guys' day been doing? Mine has been doing terrible, trust me. Because the internet just put a major poop, and then Mr. French Toast told me that he was turning on back the internet, so yeah, he turned it back on. Wait a minute! What was that? What is that? It's like a bird but with a pyramid forehead. I have a pyramid at that. Let's see if we can get back all these birdies, because these are so weird. This is the best game ever. This makes me feel good inside and stuff like that, I guess. This is really boring. Yeah, I should put some music in the back. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put some music in the background actually for this video. This is super weird. This is really boring. Let's do it one more time. Let's see how far we can reach. And I think we can wrap it up for today. I'll try to get the Wi-Fi fixed, and maybe we can do meme video later. Oh guys, this is the ultimate challenge. Hopping over all these cactuses is what I live for now. I'm going to live on this computer with the cactuses. Yes, guys, this is so good. We just need to get to Mr. Birdie again. Birdie! We've reached the highest score, guys. Oh, look at it, and I can do a little dance. That's awesome. Right, this is intense gaming right here. This is glitch